spoiled with bacon. It makes...
You're crying.
It'll make a man out of anybody with some Frank's hot sauce, Texas Pete hot sauce. You take this bowl, cut it in half, and you just eat it.
You're
And
gonna
it's
drop
so
it.
good. No, man, that's boiled cabbage, man. That's what makes muscle. And that's what Rock's saying. Oh, these two. Beach. Make the world go round. Healthy. Right. Oh. Steak. Oh, well, this is my fridge. We ain't gotta worry about no condiments. Oh, forgot about these, y'all. Try some of these things, After about a good night of drinking, get you a fork. You get about 4 forks of these things, you will sleep like a baby. Golden Creek pepper and cheese. Oh, look. There's my hot dog. That's all I gotta say. That's good stuff. Oh, wait.
I'm done.
Now, this one here. This is from the Dirty South. You can only get this in Palm Beach. This will make a piece of wood taste good. But this stuff here, my puka sauce, she could put some on the ground, you put this on there, and it'll be halfway good. Because rock and roll said so. Good night. I'm not even half lit. Half lit.
It's lit. You gotta dab.
Half lit.
You gotta dab. That's not how you...